Hey everyone, I have another bike. This is my my regular bike, my Cardinal with all that stuff. And then I had all these extra pieces, so I built up a bike. Me and him, we built a bike. He's gonna ride it, so I'm gonna do a bike check for this thing. It's a piece of crap, but it's pretty sick. Animal Edwin grips in red with fly nylon bar ends. 08 kink whip stem. It's from the stock bike I had. Demolition PA bars. FSA headset. I don't think you can tell, but yeah, FSA headset. It's Verde sticker. These are stock forks from the same bike that the stem is from. And then this is my Shadow Conspiracy Raptor front hub with Primo spokes and not Primo spokes, Shadow spokes and a Shadow Conspiracy stun rim. This is Odyssey 8-kin P-Lite 20 by 2.3 or 2.25 probably actually. Animal MK3 peg. No hub guard. I put that one in the back. I think that's the front. The frame is a kink lost Dutchman. I have no idea which year it is. We have a Primo balance seat. If it'll stay on. Yeah, it's a beast seat. Come on, you can stay on there. Yeah, it's on now. Okay. I'm going seat postless because it adds useless weight. KMC Dropbuster chain. We have a Odyssey Burlington sprocket, 25 tooth. This is a Redline device crank. It's this side here is welded, so I don't have to use a bolt there. And then here we have Demolition pedals from my old bike. You know, really good pedals. They're nice and spinny. And then I have no idea what tire this is. No idea. We have a Alienation Rush version 2 free coaster hub in the back, and G Sport Gland MK3 hub guard with the Animal MK3 peg. Primo forged spokes with the Shadow stun rim. And that is my other bike. And that's my other bike, and then that's his mountain bike thing. But that's probably the shortest bike check I've ever done. Holy crap. Okay, I'm done. Bye.